Hello everyone, welcome to WiZdom at channel. This channel is dedicated to IIT-JEE and NEET aspirants. Today we are going to start with the basic chapter of mathematics, that is set, relations and function. Let's start with the first question of the set. The question says here, which of the following is not a singleton set? We have been given four options out of which we are supposed to figure out which one is not a singleton set. Let's start with the solution. But before we start off the solution, we need to understand what do we mean by singleton set. We know that any set which has only one element in it is called a singleton set. So here, out of all the four options, we are supposed to figure out which one of it contains more than one elements. Let's take a look at first option. If I take a look at this option, I have a condition here, collection of x such that x should be equal to 5. The modulus of x should be equal to 5 and x should belongs to natural number. If I further solve this condition, what will I get? I'll get x is equal to plus or minus 5. But I also want x which belongs to natural number. We know that x is equal to minus 5 does not belong to natural number. So the given set will contain only one element, and that would be 5. So by this, we get to know that this option has a one element in it, which means that this one is a singleton set. Now, let's take a look at option B. If I take a look at this option, I have a condition x square is equal to 16 and x belongs to natural number. If I solve this further, how to solve it? We can take square root on both the sides. If I take square root on both the sides, I'll get x is equal to plus or minus 4. But again, the condition is x should belong to natural number. We know that x is equal to minus 4 does not belong to natural number. So this set would also contain only one element, and that would be our 4. If it contains one element, it is a singleton set. So this is also not the correct option. We need the set which is not singleton. Let's take a look at third option. If I take a look at third option, the condition given to me is x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, and x can be an integer. Now if I take a look at this particular given equation, I know this is the expanded form of x plus 2 the whole square, and if I further solve it, I'll get x is equal to minus 2 twice. Unique roots. Minus 2 also belongs to integer, so this is perfect, and I can say it is also containing one element which is minus 2. Now we might feel that we are getting two different values here, then why this is a singleton set? We know that set does not have any repetition, so even if we have two elements distinctively or uniquely, we'll only write it once. That's why this set is also singleton. Now finally, let's take a look at option 4. If I write here, the condition is x square is equal to 25 and x should belong to z. If I again solve this, I have to take square root and I'll get x is equal to plus or minus 5 and x belongs to z. We know that 5 also belongs to z as well as minus 5 also belongs to z. So this set will have two elements, 5 and minus 5, which is not a singleton set. So for this, the correct answer is option D. Okay guys, let's start with the next question on the sets. The question is, which of the following is a finite set? We have been given four options out of which we have to figure out which one is a finite set. Before we start the solution again, we should know what do we mean by the finite set. Finite set is what kind of a set? It is a set with a finite cardinal number. What do we mean by cardinal number? The number of elements present in a set. So if there are finite number of elements present in a set, it would be finite. And if there is infinite number of set, then it would be infinite. Here we are supposed to find the finite set. If we take a look at first option, the set of integers, we know the set of integers is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and it goes on till infinity, which means it has infinite elements. So it would be a infinite set. If I take a look at natural number, the set of natural number is 1, 2, 3, and so on till infinity. Again, the natural number would have infinite elements in it. That would make it a infinite set. Number of months in a year. How many number of months do we have in a year? 12. How many elements do I have here? One element, which is finite. So this one is our finite set. And what about option D? Set of whole numbers. Set of whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So again, infinite set. So out of four options given to us, which one is a finite set? Option C. Then the correct answer is option C.